Toledo third. Toledo jump, pass by the boots. Boots from downtown. Bang! 3 points. Rico marching Babawin. Oh, good. Good job, Toledo. Mission basket. Subia, no good. Subia pa rin. Third Toledo. With a shot. Yes, good for 2. 25-35. Tendak tayo. Yung dulo at yung unahan. Castilla, ring the ball. Tulakan nilaw. Matake, using the board. No good. Lakan nilaw pa rin. 5 seconds to shoot. No good. Naman ni Subia. Pass through. Toledo third. Toledo job. Guarding by number 1, Rico. Toledo job. Ayaw, Matake. Sa isang board. No good. Rebound ni Toledo. Toledo rin pa madali. Rico yan. Good for 2.
Yes!
Di maano. Pass to Toledo third. To Toledo job. To Boots. Toledo third. To 10 seconds to shoot. Okay, no good. Out of bounds. White ball.
Kalbo, makatambay na lang. Tara. Kulang kena na.
Castilla dribbling the ball.
Kalbo.
Castilla center play. Castilla guarding by number 23. Toledo launching Rico. Sa gitna. Good for 2. The veterans, Rico.
Tumaas din.
Score natin 29-35. Toledo, pass to Toledo. Toledo to Dimano, to Boots. 10 seconds to shoot. Toledo, yan na, nagkahilo na. Hindi ko na mabasa. Toledo, using the board, 2 points.
Kandereta ang bibe!
Score natin 29-37. Castilla to Rico. Stop and pop. Good for 2 para launching Rico. Yung Toledo pass like Subia, no good, di mo ni Toledo third. So di Maano, third drop. No good, di mo ni Lea. So Rico version number 1, di mo na Toledo. Rico, guarding by number 23, Toledo job. Launching Rico from downtown. No good, di mo ni Maano. Pass to Toledo. Toledo job, bringing the ball, pass to Toledo third. Toledo third. Kick out. Intercepted to Rico. Baseball pass. And Rico to Rico. Rico sa Berlin. Intercepted to Toledo. Toledo ulit. Dimano from the top of the key. Good for 2. May Dimano. Bunting Rico dribbling the ball. He's started. Okay. Intercepted to Subia. Subia spin move. Subia umangat. Subia pa rin. Nakuha yung Bunting Rico. Pass lang nila. Lakan nila ang pamadali. Lakan nila. Spin move. Lakan nila. Nawala ang bola. Time out. Castilla with the ball. Pass to. Ayan na. Foul. 5.
Aga mo naman!
5.
Makapasok pa lang!
Mendoza. We got 10 seconds to shoot. Version number 9. Castilla. Go for 2 para kay Castilla. 33-39, 6-point lead. Toledo third. Screen by. Ayan na. Pass to Mendoza, my idol. 10 seconds to shoot. Good drop, no good. Rebound ni Mendoza. So, di maano from the 15-foot line. Di maano, no good. Rebound nila Kanilaw. Nakanilaw, pass to Rico. Riga the Mighty Mouse. Pass to Magic Riga. Magic Riga to Mighty Mouse Riga from downtown. No good, Riboni Dimano. Dimano to the former MVP to Bentosa naman madali. Bentosa naman, no good, Riboni. Okay, tumama yung mula sa guhit kaya umilaw. Riga the Mighty Mouse. Riga dribbling the ball. Pass to Castillo. Castillo set the play. Guarding by number 1, Navarro. Kailangan nila. Ayan na. Number 6, holding foul. First personal foul. First team foul. Castillo from downtown. Air ball. Promono. Yeah, we did. So let the third give the ball, pass to hindi makita yung bola. Yung bola, pakikuha. Basa dito. Makikisuyo na nga po kami sa pagkuha ng bola.
Dinatagado nga.
Maraming salamat sa hindi pag-intindi.
Ha? Dinataga daw siya.
Ayot na yan.
Ayun, bola pala ni Pan. Diyan siya shooter. Riga dribbling the ball. Riga set the play. May ball na tinawag. Number 6 ulit, De La Paz.
Wala kayo play ganyan.
Second personal foul. Second team foul. Gila po. Castillo shooting to
Natrabaho eh.
Tuloy the third, mga dali. Tuloy the third. Tumangan. Tuloy Valentino. Ayun sila po. Iboni. Ayan na. Kinakutan. Former MVP. Valentino. Good tayo. Number 12. Pushing ball. Dimano. First personal foul. Third team foul.
Ako tinechnical.
Riga.
Tumisigaw pa eh.
Riga dribbling the ball. Monting Riga. Monting Riga pass to Riga, the Mighty Mouse, 10 seconds to shoot. The Mighty Mouse, no good, rebounding with the pass to Toledo third. Toledo third, yung mga madali, ganito saan, Toledo third, sa step mo. Gandang traveling naman nun. Sumayaw sa maling tugtugin, traveling violation.
Tatama sa rin yung...
Castilla dribbling the ball. Castilla set the play. Castilla pass to Castilla. Castilla on sa move. Castilla to Lakanilaw sa ilalim. Lakanilaw. Nagsundutan. Awan ni De La Paz to Toledo third to the former MVP. Nagmamadali. The former MVP. Umangat. Nagtapward pa. Good for two. Marawin pa.
Lakas mo sa
Sakay na. Sabi ni Navarro. Rigo. Pass to Castilla. 10 seconds to shoot, Castillo. Sa gilid, nag-selfie pa sa ere, may foul na itinawag. Jersey number 1, the former MVP, first personal foul. One more penalty. Sa rep. Okay, labas ang lalabas, pasok ang papasok. Kabayan nyo na lang yung dilabas out. First try ni Castilla, no good. How about the second try? Siyempre. Pasok yan para kay Castillo. Toledo dribbling the ball. Yes, isa lang ang pumasok. Toledo pass na para to Toledo third to Dimano. Dimana dengan pembesaran kali ini number 1 Rico 10 seconds to shoot. The former MVP pass to Toledo. To Dimana pick. 5 seconds to shoot. Stop it from Dimana to good. Di pa nila kanila. Wala kanila ang nagpapadali. Wala kanila. Ayan na. Mag-reset na. Sabi ni Monching Rico. Monching Rico din na po. Pass to kanila. Wala kanila. Speed ball. Wala kanila. May foul na tinawag jersey number 13 de la Paz. Penalty lang kanila shooting 2. Score natin 35-42. Ano po na niya? Basa. First try nila kanila ang lunggo. Now for the second try, syempre. Ang good pa rin, hindi po ni Dimano. The former MVP Vice will pass to the third. Toledo third, goes over move. Toledo third. No good, hindi po ni Dilabas. Dilabas pa rin. Dilabas. Ayan na. Sabi. Uli po ang jersey number 9. Astilla versus na foul. Second team foul.
Talo man kami, nakita na ako. Hindi ka live.
Toledo ball from downtown. No good, hindi po nila kanila. Wala kanila to Rico. To Mighty Mouse Rico. Rico pass to Castillo, jersey number 9. Presented. Castillo pa rin. Castillo, no good, hindi po ni Del Rosario. Pass to Toledo Fan. Toledo Fan pass to Navarro, the former MVP ni Mama Madrid. The former MVP, sakay na! Group number 2, score natin 35-44. Gary Sergio Gudyan pare. Rico leaving the ball. Rico set the play, running by number 5. Rico from downtown. Rico no good, Devoni. Del Rosario, good pass Toledo. Baseball pass to the former MVP. Sakay na! No good, Devoni Castillo. To Rico. Rico, baseball pass to Castillo. To la kanila, using the board. No good pa rin. To Del Rosario, to Juan Toledo Juan. Toledo Juan to De La Paz. Good for 2. Juan Toledo. Oras natin, 45 seconds remaining of the second period. Rico, no good. Sabi. Castillo out, Mr. Rico. Rico. Toledo. Puro Toledo at Rico. Isang lahi ang maglalaban. Magkatunggali, Rico at Toledo. Sino kaya ang mananalo sa kanyang dalawa? Bullet pass. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Toledo to the former MVP from top of the key. No good. 17 seconds remaining. Shot lang stop. 10 seconds. So, Astilla using the board. Good for 2. 8 seconds. The former MVP. From Toledo third. 3 seconds. Shot lang stop. Basta na lang ang change around. Okay na yan.
Sakto, 980.
Rico, Monching Rico, stop it from.